Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover Axie Infinity because we are down quite a bit because of Bitcoin's dump. And let's see what's going on. So Axie Infinity was in this channel. We pumped up, hit the 0.618, came back, and now when we came back, you can see exactly we came and rested on this support level. Now we are trying to pick back up a little bit, a lot of momentum and support is over here. You can see here, right over here, we had a lot of support from the previous uh, previous dump. So we made, I mean, it's not easy to break these support levels. You can see how many days it took us to make this support and then rally towards the upside. So we have come back and fallen upon it. And now if we can hold it, Bitcoin needs to make up its mind where it wants to go. Then accordingly, we're going to start moving to that direction. I'll be frank with you, that's what I think is going to happen, wherever Bitcoin is going to move right now, because Bitcoin broke one of its major support levels. So but I mean, Axie hasn't broken this level yet, which is pretty awesome to see. But if you go in the 1 hourly chart right now, and you take a look at this, take this off, and take a look at the EMAs, they are pretty much, up there and coming in as a resistance to the price. But if you can see in the 1 hourly time frame, we made this beautiful bullish divergence, okay, where the price was coming down and the momentum, it was actually more. So this was a bullish divergence. I mean, there is a chance we might start moving towards the upside, but no guarantees there because anything can happen. The market is in a panicky situation at the moment. Now, if you go in the 3 hourly time frame and you just zoom in, yeah, we haven't made any divergences over here, but in the 1 hourly, we are looking pretty good, okay? Now, we did have this quite a bit of a free fall over here, but now, some recovery is meant to be, okay? Like over here, let me show you really quickly. Like over here, when we had this down, we had some consolidation, move towards the upside. Right over here, consolidation, move towards the upside. So if we can have this consolidation and start moving towards the upside, that would be really cool because then, we are making maybe something like if we move up back to the 68s, that would be great because we're going to make a lot of bullish patterns in that way, okay? So now, I want to show you something for Axie Infinity that I noticed. Okay, and if you look at this whole, uh, let's go to the weekly time frame. If you look at this, whole pattern over here for Axie, now uh, it's just, yeah. So you can see that Axie Infinity over here, it went up, made this, went up, came down, and made this pattern. Okay. Let's see in the daily time frame. Yeah, so it made like you can see a bearish head and shoulder pattern, okay? Where this can be considered as the neckline right over here somewhere, okay? This over here, the neckline, and this can be considered as the resistance area, okay? In the weekly, let's take a look at it. Yeah, you can see this is where the rejection happened, okay? Right over here. We couldn't get over this area of resistance. So the price went up, hit the 0.618, came back to this level, okay? And you can see here, we can have it like that actually. Okay, you can see here, this is kind of a bearish head and shoulder pattern where it's an ugly pattern, but this is what it is. It went up, came down. Now, if it breaks this level, obviously it's going to fall right over here because this is where the support is. And this is at $42.70 if it breaks, okay? Now, if we look at it in the Fibonacci, let's see. Yeah, exactly to this low actually, where the wick was, okay? So this makes perfect sense now. Now, if it breaks, now, if you are thinking, no, it's not a bearish head and shoulder pattern, yeah, bearish head and shoulder pattern don't get validated unless you don't break the neckline, okay? This is the neckline. If you come and break the resistance, if you do something like this, come up, break this resistance level, go towards the upside, this pattern is invalid then, okay? And I have something to show you over here, okay? If you look at this pattern right over here, Axie Infinity it plays like this, okay? When it was here, this is also a similar pattern, okay? It went up, came down, went up, sorry. Okay, it went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. It also had this kind of pattern, okay? If you go in the daily time frame, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. Look, let me take this off. Okay, now you can see 1 2 1 2 and then pattern. Okay, look, shoulder, head, shoulder. You broke this resistance line, boom, towards the upside. Okay, so this was a smaller one, this is a bigger one. Wherever that breakout will happen, okay, it's gonna go to that direction. You break the resistance upside. Okay, and obviously this is the target level. From the top to the bottom, wherever that breakout will come, you can just measure it accordingly. But again, it plays in this fashion, and that's what it has made again. So now let's see what Bitcoin, what direction it chooses. That way, you know, area of direction can be, you know, processed. Okay, but okay, guys, this is it for Axie. I just wanted to point this out. At the moment, we are holding the support, and which is a good thing. But again, if you're liking this kind of content for Axie Infinity, kindly hit the like button because your likes are telling me you want more of the content coming out, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.